This is the Luna Backlit keyboard by Moshi. It has all the standard shortcuts across the top, like the Apple wired and wireless keyboards do, including volume, screen brightness, and backlit light intensity. It's got a very ergonomic design with plenty of space between the keys so you don't end up with typos due to having cramped space. It also features a full number pad on the right-hand side. This is one of the only keyboards that features backlit keys, which makes it perfect for typing at night or in darker rooms. It makes that part of things incredibly, incredibly easy.